Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is log of 3 minus x to the base 3 plus x is equal to 2 to find the values of x. First of all, if we have log of a to the base b is equal to c, in here a should be greater than 0 and b should be greater than 0, and also b should not be equal to 1. This is our conditions for logarithm, okay? And in here a is 3 minus x, so 3 minus x should be greater than 0, so greater than 0, and from here x to this side should be less than 0, so this is our first condition. And also in here 3 plus x should be greater than 0, and in here x should be greater than negative 3, and this is our second condition. And b should not be equal to 1, so 3 plus x should not be equal to 1, and in here x should not be equal to negative 2. Okay? And in here also we can understand that x should be, we can write this and this as should be, x should be greater than negative 3 and less than 3. Okay? So this is our condition for x, and in here let's solve this. Log of 3 minus x, log of 3 minus x to the base 3 plus x is equal to. If we have log of a to the base b is equal to c, a is equal to b to the power of c. Okay? A is equal to b to the power of c. So in here, a is 3 minus x. 3 minus x is equal to b to the power of c. b is 3 plus x to the power of c. c is 2. And in here, it will be 3 minus x is equal to 3 to the power of 2 is 9, and plus 2 times 3 times x, it will be 6x, and x to the power of 2 will be x squared. And in the next step, we take this to the other side, so it will be x squared plus 6x plus 9, and this to this side is positive x, and this to this side is negative 3, is equal to 0. And it will be x squared, 6x plus x, sorry, 6x plus x, it will be 7x, and plus 6 is equal to 0. And to solve this quadratic equation, we use a quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And here a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is 7, and c is constant 6. So in here x is equal to negative b, negative 7, plus or minus b squared is 49, and negative 4 times a times c, minus 4 times a is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, and times 6 is 24, over 2 times a over 2. And in here, x is equal to, this is also 49 minus 24 is 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So x is negative 7 plus or minus 5 over 2. And in here, we have two solutions for x. The first, x is negative 7 minus 5 over 2. Negative 7 minus 5 is negative 12, and over 2 is negative 6. And x is equal to negative 7 plus 5 over 2, and negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2, and over 2 is negative 1. Okay, so we have two solutions for x. And we go back our conditions for x. X should be greater than negative 3 and less than 3. So we write here, x should be greater than negative 3 and less than 3, and x should not be equal to negative 2. And in here, x is negative 6, and negative 6 is less than negative 3. So we reject this answer, and this answer for x is negative 1. Negative 1 is greater than negative 3 and less than 3. So this is our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.